Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna tell you like this. Everybody wonder what I'm gonna do to the rap game and how I'm coming. You know what I'm saying? I got hoes all over, nigga. What's up, Tyler? What's up, Nisha? What's up, Keisha? What's up, Ty? Look, roll it up. Nigga, blow something that'll kill the smoke. I don't give a fuck. Tell your girlfriend I wanna fuck. Niggas talking shit, but they ain't really about that gangster stuff. I'm a OIB gangster. All you niggas frontin', cuz I'ma keep this shit gangster. All you niggas straight facts. If you niggas want beef, gon' get a beef patty. I'ma let your ass go. I'ma cook your ass up. Leave your crispy toast burnt. I'ma heat your ass up. OIB a mafia. So project, so what's up, nigga? OIB Hootie Hood, nigga. So what's cracking, nigga? Love Tony Free. For the loc on his way home. Hoes all on my dick. Calling me on my cell phone. I ain't tripping on shit. If you got some gold to blow, if you got some kush to smoke, holla at a nigga, ho. I ain't gonna say nothing. You can do what you want. OIB a mafia. I'ma fuck everybody I want. Uh huh. Ooh. Uh huh. She's a gold digger. She's a gold digger. She 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 a gold digger. Always in the club with her best friend clothes on. Trying to get my passenger to see. Bitch, your head gone. I ain't saying nothing. I'm trying to get this bread gone. My baby mama with me. Yo girl is at home. I ain't saying nothing. I be smoking plenty doja, bitch. Waiting on my plant to grow so I can grow and smoke some shit. I ain't tripping on nothing. I wreck any fucking beat. Oh, I be so project. Remember, believe what you speak. Believe what I say, ho. Yeah, you see the light shining. See the camera on me, nigga. Yeah, I'ma stay shining. You ain't gotta say nothing. No, I'm not bluffing. And no, I ain't fronting. And yeah, I stay thugging. So Project ENT, how I'm coming. Running 2013, bitches, how I'm coming. Got 8 gigs in the phone to tell you how I'm coming. Check the DVD status, cause they selling when I'm coming. What they say, nigga? Uh-huh. Ooh. Uh-huh. You know what she is? Look, and she a gold digger. She a gold digger. She a gold digger. Rochelle a gold digger. She a gold digger. She a gold digger. She a gold digger. And she a gold digger. Now, who would you say she done came to the party try to get that money? Lalo got her. She on a powder bag. I done sniffed 7 grams. She can kiss my ass. I got my own cash. What they saying, bitch, you ain't gonna get that. LC locked up nigga to get back. Oh, I be a mafia so project. What they say? I be like, oh, I be a mafia and we bring it back. Wax gone, but you know we shake back. Rest in peace, nigga. Jet boy, I'm back. Look. For that low, coming home, fuck nigga low. Rudy low, took my money, fuck that nigga hoe. Kobe low, oh I be so project hoe. What they talking about? She a gold digger. Uh huh. Ooh. Uh huh. You know what she is? She a gold digger. She a gold digger. She a gold digger. She a gold digger. Rochelle a gold digger. She a gold digger. Tilly a gold digger. She a gold digger. Yeah. On some Louisiana shit. What's up, Hootie? What's up, Big Papa? Hey, boy, I can market you out here. We can go more than just Louisiana. You know what I'm saying? I know you doing your thing. I'm doing my thing too. What's there? Let's collide. Live House, what's up? OIB. Baby, what's up, nigga? This 40 little cousin, nigga. Uh huh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. So Project. Uh huh.